Riverside wore off, make it loud. Into the Romeo Foxtrot, shall we dance?
Let's go. Hey, hey, let's go. Hey, hey, yeah. Primetime X. Hey, who the fuck would've thought I would next? Brought out these diamonds just so I could flex. When I open my mouth, better pussy get wet. These diamonds surprising like Russian roulette. Might just go by a limb, I couldn't fit in the bed. I can't go with my pole, I put this on the set. If I do when I live, I'ma spin with that yet. Hey, 19 on the hearse selling crack. Once I double my profit, I couldn't look back. Hey, used to laugh cause the nigga was fat. Now I'm having my way and these bitch niggas broken, they wreck. No capping in none of my raps. He thought he was up on the board till I showed him the stat. Fingers hurting from thumbing through racks. I feel like a young Deion Sanders 2-1 on my back, but it's still 23 on my strap. I had dreams of ballin' on fields and that cell writing rap. Tryna put my whole team on the map. We already known in the streets and that's really the fact. Fully auto ARs attached, so ain't no pump faking this trigger, you playin' that stat. Yo, we quick to get fuck niggas wet, but I swear from the shoulders I'm colder, yeah, I'm really that. Get him gone, hit this bitch from the back, then fuck the hoe over and make her start over from scratch. 600 the block where I'm at. I think I was 7 years old, my pops had the rap, but he taught me that shit in the trap. I ain't that shit funny how I double back. Cause look where we at. Hey, Primetime X. Hey, who the fuck would've thought I would next? Bought all these diamonds just so I could flex. When I open my mouth, better pussy get wet. These diamonds surprising like Russian roulette. Might just go by a limb, I can fit in the vet. I can't go with my pole, I put this on the set. If I do when I live, I'ma spin with that yet. Hey, Primetime X. Hey, who the fuck would've thought I would next? Bought all these diamonds just so I could flex. When I open my mouth, better pussy get wet. These diamonds surprising like Russian roulette. Might just go by a limb, I can fit in the vet. I can't go with my pole, I put this on the set. If I do when I live, I'ma spin with that yet. Ayy, got the pack, but I run that bitch back. I ain't want all this shit, but you see where we at. Ayy, in the club, best believe that we strapped. If a pussy boy played him, he lay in his pockets getting tapped. See, this shit really made out of scraps. We put it together, however, now we touch the stack. Remember laws cracking down on the traps. Just knew I was next, I said fuck it and flushed it and bounced. See, this rapping shit came unannounced. I guess these folks like how I move these little words out my mouth. Screaming free, rockin' cute today, yeah. Niggas pussy, they wish they could live without rap. Ask them niggas that solid, I bet they'll vouch. I had really so hard, I ain't open my mouth. Getting bricks from the country, distro in the south. Other border, your order come in and it's out. Take some lessons, I teach you little boys how to trap. I just started this shit in my face on the map. We been running through packs, steady running up left. If you got BOA, come and get your shit tapped. Hey, come and get your shit tapped, gang. Hey, hey.
Nothing else in the world smells like that. I love the smell of napalm in the morning. Smell, you know that gasoline smell. Oh hell. Smells like victory.